If you want to change the date and the time on your Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. If you want to change the date and the time on your Galaxy Fit 3, the only way you can do this is by changing the date and time on your Android phone, since your band relies on your phone for the date and time. Now as you can see, this is the current date and time, and if I go to the settings of my Android phone, and from here just search for the date and time settings, just like that. Now as you can see, if I change the format of the date, as you can see it is currently on the 24-hour format, but if I disable it, as you can see the format has been changed on my band. Now also if I disable set automatically and if I change the date from here, as you can see the date has been changed on my band. And also you can do the same with the time. As you can see this is the current time, but if I change it on my phone, as you can see the time will be changed on my band, just like that. And this is how you can change the date and time on the Galaxy Fit 3. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.